Where would you fly to if you could choose? Would you just take off, nothing to lose? Would you start a family